Today I show you one of the new products from IKEA, and this is a simple USB-C light. They used to have the USB type A light like this, which works pretty well, this one, 0.3 volts. Now they have this USB-C light, but this one is a bit bulky, so for being USB-C, I don't understand why they had to make it like this, but they also made it cheaper. So this one is cheaper than the old USB light. Also, it has a bit of a texture to it, so you can really put it in a position and it stays like that. And the information here, that's the code for it, for IKEA code. Some information here, and I try to remove this part here. I don't know why they like to keep this tape like that. Okay, and this side also. So this is the paperwork for this light, with German and disposal information, but they also have some kind of a manual. So you can plug it into the laptop, and it's 5 volts DC, maximum 1 ampere for the port, I guess. Yeah, and don't bend it too, no sharp bends here so it doesn't break. Here information about the plug, maximum 1 amp. So 5 volts, 1 amp, charger will be fine. And there is an on-off switch, you press on the light itself. And 3 seconds to... it's 2 modes, oh wow. I think it has blinking or 2 modes, I'm not sure about that. I guess we'll see. Okay, this is the label here. Input 5 volts DC, 0.7 watts, and that's the name Hostulota. Okay, I think I got the name right for this thing. So you can bend it like that, but not too much of a sharp bend so the wires inside don't break. I have a power bank here with a USB-C charging port. So it's plugged in, and you can see the light is on. And seems okay. I can see there are 3 LED lights inside there. I'm not sure if you can see, but I can see them there. I can see there, okay. You press, you turn it off. You turn it on, off, like that. I want to try to see what happens if I long press for 3 seconds. Oh, it's a low power mode. You see them here, the LEDs, it's the low power mode. Oh, I like this, it's nice. So now it's off. And it's always now, when you set it in the low power mode, let's see if I disconnect it. That would be pretty nice if it remembers, but for sure it doesn't remember. Once you unplug it, you have to redo the setting for, let's see if it remembers from this mode. No, it has to be on, and then I long press and it goes to low power. So I'll turn off the light here, and you see This is the low power mode. It's pretty nice. So this is there is also the light from the screen there in front. So it's not really, so this is the light now from this thing. Okay, and then when I set it to the full power mode, 3 seconds long press. Oh, and it's 3 modes. So it's full power. So it's low power. This is the lowest. Then medium power. I know it's just low power and full power. Okay, so now it's in full power mode, and it's a really nice light. Actually, this is much better than the previous one. This one with this kind of light, little bit of a light there. This is much easier to look at. I will explain why. Because the old light had this kind of a ring to it, bit of a strange ring. It's not too bad, still low power, but the new one has a more even light, evenly diffused. So this one has a nice diffusion effect because it's this plastic thing there. Yeah, so this is the new USB light from IKEA, USB-C light. I wish this was in a black or white color instead of this strange red color, but okay. Black and white are not really colors, I know, but yeah. The design on the old one was pretty good with this gooseneck, but I guess this was more expensive to make like that. Yeah. So this is the USB light. Yeah, this is pretty good for a desktop light or a reading light in the evening. If you need to do something, work with a keyboard or anything, reading especially, I think this is pretty good. Thanks for watching.